Huawei is building momentum for the upcoming Mate 80 series, and the company has now dropped 2 new teaser videos that give us a clearer look at what to expect, especially from the Mate 80 Pro Max. With the official unveiling set for November 25, Huawei is using these teasers to highlight the phone's design, durability, camera power, and even a surprising new battery feature. The first teaser focuses entirely on the Mate 80 Pro Max. The design, which has already been revealed in earlier leaks, is shown off from every angle. Huawei really wants people to notice how premium and sturdy this phone looks. But the main message of the teaser isn't the design, it's the durability. The video shows water jets splashing directly onto the phone, clearly demonstrating its high-level dust and water resistance. This isn't just a regular IP rating. Huawei appears to be aiming for resistance against water pressure and force, something we usually see in rugged phones. It's a strong hint that the Mate 80 Pro Max is built to survive tough environments, not just accidental spills. The second teaser shifts the spotlight to the cameras. Huawei is emphasizing the processing pipeline behind them, calling it the second-generation Red Maple imaging system. The company has been teasing its camera upgrades for a while, and this new system is supposed to push image quality even further. We've already seen several camera samples shared by Huawei previously, and they suggest the Mate 80 series is focusing heavily on clarity, color accuracy, and low light performance. This aligns with Huawei's strategy in recent years, making camera quality one of the main reasons people choose their flagship phones. What's interesting about these teasers is that Huawei is putting equal weight on both durability and camera performance. Typically, companies push one or the other, either they highlight rugged design, or they push advanced photography. But with the Mate 80 Pro Max, Huawei wants you to know that you're getting both. Something stylish and premium, but also strong enough to handle rough conditions. One of the more surprising features mentioned in earlier teasers is the new outdoor mode. According to Huawei, enabling this mode can extend battery life to an unbelievable 14 days. That's 2 full weeks on a single charge. Of course, this will depend on what features the mode disables or limits, but even then, it's an impressive claim. Whether this is meant for emergencies, travel, camping, or long periods without charging, it could be a standout feature for people who care more about endurance than anything else. With the launch date approaching, Huawei is being careful not to reveal everything. These teasers are designed to build hype without giving away the exact specs. We still don't know the full camera hardware, the processor details, or the battery capacity. But based on Huawei's recent track record and the confident tone of these teasers, it's clear the company believes the Mate 80 Pro Max is going to be one of its strongest flagship releases yet. The combination of rugged durability, advanced camera tech, and extreme battery endurance makes this device sound like it's targeting both everyday users and outdoor enthusiasts. And considering Huawei's growing momentum in the Chinese market, the Mate 80 series is shaping up to be a major launch, not just for the company, but for the smartphone world in general. As we get closer to November 25, we'll likely see more teasers and more details. But for now, Huawei is making one thing clear. The Mate 80 Pro Max isn't just another premium phone. It's a device built to perform in places where most flagships would struggle,